Well, a proposed budget by the Trump administration would cut funding for Head Start programs. Experts say that would have a negative ripple effect across the country and here in Texas for everything from child health and development all the way to jobs. Fox 4's Lori Brown is live in Farmers Branch with that story. Lori.
Hannah, in Texas, there are more than 1,200 Head Start programs like this one at Brookhaven College, and 50,000 parents rely on Head Start's childcare to be able to work and go to school.
The author writes the book. The author writes the book.
As this Head Start teacher knows, due to rapid brain development,
Be patient.
the first 5 years of a child's life will shape the remainder of his or her life in profound ways.
If we pull funding from Head Start, we are not trimming the fat, but we are cutting into the bone of our future.
Kim Kofron is the director of early childhood education for Children at Risk, a nonprofit organization focused on safety, health, and economic security for Texas children. She says the return on investment in early childhood education is profound.
It reduces crime, it improves health options and health outcomes, strengthens families, and fuels our economy.
It's why many were shocked to see funding eliminated from the program when a draft budget by the Trump administration was leaked.
I actually led the Office of Head Start for President Trump's first term, and during that time, I experienced nothing but full support.
Dr. Deborah Bergeron says during her time working with the first Trump administration, there was increased funding for Head Start.
And the response during COVID was just amazing. We were able to support programs stayed open, children continued to eat healthful food and receive support services.
Dr. Bergeron says the program that also provides for mental and oral health is much more than an educational program.
When they enter Head Start, yes, their parents are experiencing poverty. They may be experiencing homelessness or other issues, but Head Start gives them the foundation to lift up and out of that situation. So ultimately, those children are no longer relying on government services. This is exactly in line with the priorities of this administration.
The proposed cuts would not just impact children. Head Start programs in Texas employ 19,000 childhood educators.
What we know is what we know. The early childhood workforce is already in crisis in Texas and nationally. Cutting Head Start will turn the shortage into a collapse.
Kristen Jackson-Jones is with Child Care Group in Dallas.
Simply put, this cut would add to unemployment and shrink the Texas economy.
It's a message Head Start hopes gets through to Congress.
It's what? Use your big voice.
Exclamation mark.
It's an exclamation mark.
The draft budget says eliminating funding for the program is consistent with the Trump administration's goals of returning control of education to the states. Congress has the ultimate say on funding for Head Start. Hannah.
Lori, thanks.